Hey Zillow, make me an appointment to see this house and contact the seller to make an offer. But make sure to negotiate a good price. And while you're at it, Zillow, explain to me the buyer process. Zillow. What do I do? Is there no one that can help?
A California Realtor can.
Today we want to talk about why Zillow and websites like it are good tools but are not a replacement for a real estate agent.
And when is it a good time to call your realtor?
First, we will discuss the obvious reasons to not count on housing websites.
Nishbeth, did you know that the majority of buyers shop online first for about 6 months before they contact a realtor? They use up all their free time looking at websites like Zillow, Realtor, Redfin, find open houses and contact the listing agent and end up getting no representation.
Whoa, I didn't know that hiring a realtor to represent you has no cost or obligations to a buyer, and they can provide accurate information and walk you through the whole process.
Those websites are great. In fact, we advertise on almost all of them, but that's just what they are, a great tool. They're not the mechanic. They can't replace a real estate agent.
They can't show you homes. They can't make offers for you. They can't negotiate on your behalf. And most important, they have no way of knowing what you really need.
Hard realities about housing websites. The information is bound to be incorrect or just outdated. They are third-party fed websites. That means they can't verify information. They can only present what is given to them.
George, as you know, we've had to be the bearer of bad news on more than one occasion. Clients go online, find their perfect dream home, only to find out later that it is under contract or sold.
Pricing estimates are based on a national model, and the system has a hard time pinpointing your neighborhood values. So when you go online, see your dream home at the price that you want, that home may already be sold, or even worse, it may have never been listed for sale. One of the biggest issues is that housing websites are breeding grounds for fraudsters and scammers.
We have seen many instances where they publish a house for sale at a low price. I get hundreds of phone calls from my clients. We investigate to find out that they are posted by unscrupulous individuals to get you to call to do loan home applications and steal your private information.
Housing websites publish public record information, such as foreclosure trustee sales and repossessions, that are not for the average consumer because they require you to have cash in order to make the purchase. In short, they mislead the consumer into thinking that there are homes for sale that they simply can't buy. Or, in my opinion, even worse, it has outdated information in regards to homes that are on the market now.
So if Zillow and those other sites are not the answer, where should we go for guidance?
We at Jorge Sanchez and Associates have a full staff of real estate professionals that can help you every step of the way. I am a buyer's agent. My primary role is to take buyers out and see homes. I love to see the satisfaction on my client's face when we find their dream home.
I am your full-time calling agent. My job is to find sellers to ensure our clients have plenty of choices when it comes to inventory.
I am your transaction coordinator. I will assist you with getting all the paperwork done, including the difficult ones, and making sure they get in on time, fully completed. Trust me, it's not easy.
As a real estate professional with over 15 years of mortgage and real estate sales, I can help you get to where you are going. There is no situation that I have not seen or negotiated on behalf of my client.
Hi everyone, I'm George, the team lead. What's there left to say? If you're wasting time acting as your own agent, doing all the research, reaching out to websites or agents who don't have the time or the staff and infrastructure to take care of your needs, then believe me, the house you get will not feel like a home. As my 6-year-old niece said, you get what you get and you don't complain.
Thanks for watching, and we look forward to working with you. This has been another Market Moment with Jorge Sanchez and Associates.